Hello everyone, welcome to the second podcast on this channel. So in today's podcast we have our guest, none other than the founder and CEO of MavensWorld, Mr. Suvradipta Banerjee. Hello sir,
Hi Aditya,
how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
It's nice to meet you sir.
Same here.
And can you tell us a little about yourself and the MavensWorld, how it got into play, how it started the company, everything?
Yeah. So my name is Suvradipta Banerjee, as you rightly mentioned. I started MavensWorld in 2018. Prior to that, I was a management consultant at McKinsey and Company, which is a global management consulting firm. I'm basically the electronics engineer with an MBA from XLRI, Jamshedpur. My initial days were in the industry. I worked with Tata Steel in Jamshedpur as an electronics engineer, automation engineer, where I picked up the skill sets of how to run operations. And then I shifted to Delhi after my engineering, and after my MBA from XLRI. And then I started joining a company called iShared Consultancy. From iShared Consultancy, I moved on to the steel industry, JSW Steel, and where from I joined McKinsey, in Mumbai. So that's my background, and how it started was why we started MavensWorld was because we felt that in India there was a real gap, a white space for real experts. So conventional model of consulting was there for last 20-25 years, but it had limited reach in terms of domain expertise. So we wanted to bring real domain experts from chemicals, steel, mining, metals, from automotive to solve complex business problems for the clients.
And so how many experts do you have on your team or?
Right now we have 14,000. Our aspiration is higher. And out of this 14,000, many are global experts.
Okay.
So they bring in global knowledge.
What is this MavensWorld network that you are connecting people? How are you connecting people to the experts? And moreover, the different conventional consulting that is being done in the company.
Yes, Aditya. So in conventional consulting, we have a fixed team of generalist consultants who are deployed at the client, and they do first principles problem solving. Whereas an expert-driven consulting looks at solving problems through domain expertise. That's the fundamental difference between conventional and expert-based consulting. So our experts are already from the industry, and we are sort of curating them and ensuring that they're successful at our clients.
Okay, that's really nice to hear, sir. And so, sir, there was one question that was coming up. It was that how do you ensure that experts are adequately skilled, or how are you ensuring that, and how are you providing?
There are two ways of doing that. The first way is that we have our own capability assessment model. Like when our team of consultants interview an expert who we feel that is real, suitable for the expertise that we're looking for. So there is a 26 page questionnaire that we get filled, and that shows where are the gaps or expertise of the expert. So that is one model that we have. Second is we also conduct focused capability programs, because the expert has domain knowledge but he may not have business consulting skills. So we bridge that gap by providing that training ourselves, so that when we put the expert in front of the client, he's able to deliver and communicate well with the client. Nice. I think I'm enjoying this interaction with you.
And also the audience.
Audience is lovely.
So, sir, what are the key factors that MavensWorld experts bring to solve your business problem? How do you guide your clients through the process?
So what do they bring to the table? So first thing, very obvious one is they are bringing in years of experience. So they are they've seen this problem earlier, have solved this. They have a pattern recognition by looking at various data points at the client side. They will be able to detect. They don't have to go through a lot of data to analyze.
Yeah.
Okay, so they have the pattern recognition capability, can do it faster. So what they bring to the table is high quality of deliverable, and they can do it faster. Plus, when we are dealing with a very senior leadership team of the client, they are looking at grey-haired people who are really experts,
not who have dealt in the industry for a while.
Yeah, not young MBAs who are just passed out from college.
Yeah, like a few examples of the impact that is created by the MavensWorld network.
Yeah, like a couple of examples, recent examples come to my mind. One is that there was a Japanese company which wanted to do a study of EV truck market.
Yeah.
And
electric vehicle.
Yeah, electric vehicle trucks. The big trucks.
Yeah.
In India, we don't have electric vehicle trucks, but in countries like US, Australia, and China, we have electric vehicle trucks, which are big trucks, not the 12-tonners that you see on the road.
Yeah.
Even the bigger tonnage, trucks. So they wanted to, conduct a study of the various configurations, the manufacturing capabilities and the supply chain capabilities of this electric vehicle truck manufacturers. So we were given the problem to solve and come up with a report. So we leverage our global network of electric vehicle experts in Australia, in US, and in China to come up with details about the information that we wanted to get from the manufacturing, like what is the chassis design, battery configurations, R&D that is required. Suppose somebody wants to set it up in their own premises. So basically it was a 8-week intervention, where our experts came up with a report which our client used for the strategic decision making. This is one example. If you want more examples, I can tell you some more.
Yeah, sir, definitely. But first, I would like to know about the organization, about your organization, like how people can get in touch with you. How can experts join your company?
So it's a very simple process. Okay, we have, of course, have a website, which is a functional website, which is MavensWorld.com. So anybody can visit the website, and if I have an organization which is a problem, I can go to post a problem section in the website, and automatically my team gets the problem. Then we activate a call, we schedule a call, Zoom call or a Teams call with the client to get specifics. We do a brainstorming, and then we come up with the right solution for that.
And sir, I'm also sure that you are present on social media platforms also.
Yes.
And if people want to reach
they can
through the social media
platform also. We are very active on LinkedIn. And we're trying to get more active on Instagram. And X. So we can also be available there as well. And if you are an expert, if somebody is an expert, and he feels that
how can he register?
So same way, he can go to our website and register as an expert. We have a proprietary database. I forgot to mention that. Automatically it gets populated in the database, and our team, whenever there's a matching opportunity which is there, an algorithm picks it up and alert goes to the expert. So we are actually providing for freelancers who are looking for a flexible lifestyle, a decent opportunity to get into global projects. Like they may have an aspiration of working with US clients, European clients, abroad. So we provide that.
Lastly, the most important question, or I just want to know about the vision of this company. Like, where do you see this company 5 years, 10 years down the line? How are you portraying yourself, and what's the plan?
So our company should be the default option for all freelancers.
The one-stop solution.
The one-stop solution for all freelancers who are looking for, and I mean freelancers in the business world, not the other freelancers in the medical world and all that. So freelancers in the business world, if they're looking at opportunities where they can contribute, earn more.
Yeah.
Okay, through their skills, share their time with multiple companies. Okay, so we should become the default option.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we have got 14,000 people signed up with us. We are looking at 100,000 over the next 2 years. Period. Okay, so that's something which we're looking at from an expert point of view. From a business point of view, we want again to expand our footprint.
Yeah.
In other beyond India to other companies in US, in Europe.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
It was a really nice discussion having with you, and this podcast really.
Very happy to be here, and would love to interact with you again.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
With some more war stories from MavensWorld experts.
Definitely.